everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today, this video is going to be a little bit different. Think of it as a behind the scenes for you. Some of you know the other day I posted a video about CBD. And I didn't think anything of it. It was an educational, informational video about CBD. And in that video, I talked about some products that I got from Charlotte's Web. Now, Charlotte's Web's products and the CBD Medic products that I showed you in that video are THC free. They're tested for THC levels as well as other toxins in order to ensure the highest quality legal products. YouTube said I couldn't monetize that video, and they gave me some feedback telling me why. I thought maybe it was just an algorithm thing, but then I appealed it, and they say a human reviewer agreed with the original outcome that it wasn't suitable for ads. They say that the video has harmful or dangerous acts, situations that may endanger participants. And what YouTube says this is a focus on accidents, pranks, or stunts that have health risks, like drinking or eating non-edibles or discussion of trending videos that shows this type of content. Now, if you watch my video, and there's a link to it in the description down below, let me know if you think that I violated that. I don't know that I did anything harmful or dangerous. I'm talking about products that are completely legal at the federal level, so I'm not sure what that's about. And the second reason is recreational drug content, that my content was related to recreational use. Now, CBD is not a drug. It's a supplement. You can buy it at Harmon's Discount or Face Values or whatever they're called, as well as many other stores. You can also buy it online, have it shipped to any state. As far as I know, it doesn't even require you to be 21 to accept it. Like when I order wine from First Leaf, which is a wine club I belong to, I have to be home or someone has to be 21 to sign for that package. That is not the case with the Charlotte's Web products. So YouTube, I'm super confused about what you're saying is in my content. And what makes it more confusing to me is that I've viewed videos from other creators that have made content about CBD products and CBD in general, and their videos have had commercials on them. So it hasn't affected their ability to monetize. If anybody has a clue about this, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think this is all about. Again, I don't normally make videos like this, and this is kind of a behind the scenes, but I'm kind of flabbergasted by this. And Melissa, my massage therapist that I mentioned in the first video, I told her about this the other day, and she was like, CBD would cause you to have problems monetizing your video? I said, is there any way to appeal that? And I said, well, I did, and they came back and told me that it features harmful or dangerous acts and recreational drug content. Here's a fun fact that I completely forgot about until I was editing. Melissa is also a lawyer. I'm sorry, I think that's really, really funny, but not at the same time because I can't monetize the video. If you have any idea, if you watched that video, and again, there's a link to it in the description down below. If you watched that video and you have any idea why YouTube would not let me monetize it, please leave a comment down below. And if you're a creator and you've had this kind of problem before, let me know what you did to solve it. I mean, as far as I can tell, there's no way to appeal it again, and there's really no way to talk to anyone or even send anyone an email and get more detailed information. So if you're a creator and you've had a similar problem, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you did to solve it or if you solved it. Anyway, I know this was different from my usual content, but I hope you found it kind of interesting to get sort of a behind the scenes of how YouTube works from my end. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you think it could help someone else, share it with them. And usually I post 3 videos a week that can help you live a better life. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.